G'day everyone, so today I'm going to quickly show you my favorite product from Turtle Wax. My favorite product from Turtle Wax must be their Turtle Wax Snow Foam. I mainly use it in the foam cannon, but today I'm going to use it in the buckets as well. The car that I'm washing today is my Toyota 86. It is extremely dirty, like really dirty. Like, have a look at that, all sand and stuff. We actually sprayed our paving clean, and my car was standing on the pavement and I didn't realize how dirty I made it. All the sand and stuff that came from the paving. Have a look at that. So this is extremely dangerous when washing your car after something like this has been exposed to, because you can scratch it quite easily. So today I'm going to quickly show you my process with this to remove, or well, to clean my car today safely. So we're going to use 3 buckets: a wash bucket, a rinse bucket, and a wheels bucket. Wheels bucket is going to be only for wheels. There's a grid card in there, same with the rinse bucket and same with the wash bucket. Wash bucket has water with some Turtle Wax Snow Foam inside. Just a little bit of that, like that, should do. And same with the wheels. Right there. The next one you're going to do, if you have a pressure washer, it's nice to do this. What I usually do, I take this and just foam. It's what they call, you activate the studs. Same with the wheel bucket. That is it. As you can see, it is extremely foamy and definitely works well for cleaning a car. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to rinse the car with the pressure washer only.
When you wake up, you know what you need to do. Just close your eyes.
Okay, so as you can see, the car is foamed up quite nicely. I've let it dwell for about 2 to 3 minutes, just so most of the dirt can be lifted off the surface safely. I think what I'm going to do first, what you usually should do first, is start with the wheels. So I'm going to use my specific wheel bucket. I have a wheel brush and all that type of stuff. Clean these mags very nicely. They are already quite clean, but just the inners for the brake dust and all that type of stuff. Okay, so I have a detailing brush to do the wheel nuts with. I have a wheel brush for the inner barrel of the mags, and then I have a wash mitt inside here as well in my wheel specific bucket. Okay, so I'm finished with all the wheels, and there's a lot of the snow foam still on the car, so the foam actually clings onto the paint very nicely, acts like a bit of a lubricant while washing. And keep in mind, the wash bucket is also filled with that shampoo, so it can be very nice, very foamy, very lubricant. Keep in mind, you'll see I used 2 wash mitts. Safer, just a bit safer to avoid scratches. So you do a few 1 or 2 panels, and you switch over to the other mitt, and you have a rinse bucket to rinse it off in. Okay, so I washed the whole car with my 2 wash mitts, and the car is very clean so far. Then I rinse the car off the pressure washer again, and then it's basically done, when it's only drying. Okay, so the car has been rinsed off after the wash. I'm going to use 2 waffle weave drying towels, and then I have a separate drying towel for the wheels. You never want to mix your wheel mitts and your wheel drying towels with the ones going on the paint, because that can cause scratches due to the iron particles in your brake dust. Separate drying towel for the wheels and the dorsals and in the boot. And the car is 100% clean, as you can see. Very nice. I'm very impressed with the Turtle Wax snow foam product, and now I am ready for the weekend. Cheers. Thank you, gents.